What's up guys, this is Travis at Cultivate, and today we are going to be unboxing the Monster Mushroom Company large all-in-one grow kit. So we're going to pop the top off here. First thing, most important, is going to be isopropyl alcohol, 70%. You're going to want to use this to wipe down everything in this kit. So you're going to have a couple of these spray bottles that come in the kit. You're going to use the spray bottle to spray the inside of your tub throughout the growth process to keep it humid and moist on the inside. Do not spray the substrate and grain directly. You're gonna have two 5-pound super shroom substrate. So this is gonna have a special blend of cocoa, vermiculite, perlite, Rocky Mountain spring water, gypsum, pH buffers, and stabilizers. 2 packs of the Super Spawn grain, so each one of these has 2 grain packs in it. So you get 4 grain packs total. Each one is gonna have one of these self-healing injection ports on the back. So you can individually inoculate 4 different grain bags. If you wanna grow 4 different types of mushrooms, you can do that. Lastly is going to be your tubs for drying and storage. These are going to come with 2 bins for drying and storage. You're going to have polyfill. You're going to want to put that in these fair air exchange holes right here. That's going to allow fresh air to come in without allowing any particulate matter to get in and contaminate your mushrooms. You're going to have a mask fan that you can put inside your tub to keep proper airflow. You're going to have your spore syringe that may come with your kit. These are going to be Gourmet Oyster mushroom spores. We do not sell or carry any spores ourselves. These just come with the kit from the distributor. 2 hygrometers, one for inside your tub and one for your storage and drying containers. Next, you're gonna have your drying and curing pack, which is gonna come with a mesh screen that you will put on top of one of these bins. And then you can just lay your mushrooms on the screen. That way they have airflow underneath to help them dry out a little more quickly. And once they're done, you can just transfer them right into the tub, pop the lid on, and your mushrooms are stored. The last thing is going to be some cleaning stuff. So you're gonna get a couple packs of alcohol wipes, and in the clean pack, you're just gonna get more of the same stuff. There's an extra mask in here. There's another pair of gloves, so you can just be as sterile as possible. And then you have another tub. So you have 2 tubs for storage and drying, 1 giant tub for growing your mushrooms, 4 bags of grain, 2 5-pound bags of substrate, and everything you need to grow mushrooms at home in one kit. If you want to get your hands on this kit, you can get it at Cultivate here in Denver, Colorado. We also have a store in Oklahoma City, or you can order it online, cultivatecolorado.com. We ship everywhere in the country. Doesn't matter where you live, we can send mushroom gear to you.